Very good morning, student. Today we will do chapter 41 in GK, that is Immortal Indian. This chapter is on page number 49. In this chapter, you have to match the correct description given in the box with the correct picture. Here the pictures of the persons given over here who are related with the Indian national movement, and their descriptions are also given over here. You have to match the correct description with the correct picture. Now come to the chapter name, that is Immortal Indian. Meaning of immortal is the person who never dies or who always be remembered because of their any type of work. So here we have to discuss about those kind of persons. Now what you have to do after completing the exercise, you have to submit it in the class group till 9:30, and in between that I'll give you one worksheet which you have to complete, and you also have to submit that worksheet also in the class group till 9:30. So let's start the chapter. So students, in GK today we will start lesson 41, that is Immortal Indians. It is on page number 49. Now, Immortal Indians. Why this chapter name is Immortal Indians? First, we will understand the meaning of immortal. Immortal, anything or any person who never dies. So, who are the immortal person? Who do such kind of work which are alive in our heart. It can include good and bad, both type of work. Here in this chapter you will find the person's picture who are related with our Indian national movements, and they have done some special work. Because of their special work they are called Immortal Indians. Now let's read the question first. Below are given the descriptions of some Indians who had played an important role in influencing the course of Indian history. Means they have done such kind of work which influence the Indian history, which have a great impact on the Indian history. Can you write their names in the blank boxes? Here is the blank boxes. We have to write the names of the these person according to the descriptions given over here. Means first we have to read the description, and according to the description we have to write the correct name. Can you write their names in the blank boxes? Pictures are given for your help. Now let's read the first one. He was the Nawab of Bengal. He was defeated by Lord Clive in the famous Battle of Plassey in 1757. Now, Sirajud-Dowla was Nawab of Bengal. Here is the picture of Sirajud-Dowla is given over here. He was a Nawab of Bengal. Now, Nawab of Bengal had a battle in Plassey in the year 1757 with Lord Clive, in which he got defeated. Means Lord Clive defeated Sirajud-Dowla in the Battle of Plassey in the year 1757. So we will write over here Sirajud-Dowla. Okay. Siraj-ud-Dowla. Now, second one. He was the ruthless killer general of the British Army. He was mainly responsible for the Jallianwala Bagh massacre in 1919. Now, here is the person who was remembered because of his cruelty. And where he did his cruelty? He is General Dyer. General Dyer killed so many of innocent people in Jallianwala Bagh. It is also called Jallianwala Bagh massacre. It occurs in the year 1919. They all have collected for a assembly, and they are unknowingly collected over there, and General Dyer started shooting them. So we will write over here General Dyer. General Dyer. Okay. Now third one. She was the founder of Theosophical Society of India. She became the president of the Indian National Congress in 1917. Now, the Theosophical Society was established by this person, this lady, and she became the president of Indian National Congress also in the year 1970, and she is none other than Annie Besant. So we will write over here Annie Besant. Annie Besant. Okay. Now, she is called the Nightingale of India. She is called Nightingale of India because of her poetry. She writes the poem which was very soft and very nice in listening. So that's why she was called Nightingale of India. She became the first women governor of any state in India. Yes, she was the first lady governor of a state of India, and she is Sarojini Naidu. She is also called Nightingale of India. So we will write over here Sarojini Naidu. Okay, let me correct the spelling. Here I have written 2 times, and here we have to write Sarojini Naidu. Okay, now 5th one. He was a genius scholar and educationist. He became the youngest president of the Indian National Congress in 1937. He also became the first education minister of India. Here you have you came to know 2 things, that a youngest person who became the president of the Indian National Congress and the first education minister of the India. And who is he? He is Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Here is the picture of Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Now let's read it again. Genius scholar and educationist. Became the youngest president of the Indian National Congress in which year? In the year 1937. He also became the first education minister of India. Now student, question can come, who was the youngest who was the youngest president of the Indian National Congress? The question can form like this also. So be alert while reading the descriptions over here. Okay, so we will write over here Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Abul Kalam Azad. Okay, now 6th and the last one. He was the messiah of downtrodden. He was instrumental in drafting the Indian Constitution. He is called Baba Saheb. I know that you all are familiar with this term Baba Saheb. So he is none other than B.R. Ambedkar. The full form of B.R. Ambedkar is Bhim Rao Ambedkar. Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar. So what he did? He was the messiah of downtrodden, means the persons or the people who are belongs to the lower community or called or recognized as a lower community people. He was a messiah for them. He was instrumental in drafting he was the person who formed the Indian Constitution, written the Indian Constitution, and he is also called Baba Saheb. So we will write over here B.R. Ambedkar. B.R. Ambedkar. Okay, Ambedkar. Now last, Froggy speaks. What Froggy says? The British media greatly admired General Dyer for his brutal crime in Jallianwala Bagh. Means British media was very happy by the act of General Dyer. And the bird of time, the broken wing, and the sceptred flute are some of the great collection poems of Sarojini Naidu. I told you because her poetry, she was called Nightingale of India, and these are the names of the poem which she has written and which was remembered till now. So thank you class. In this way we have completed chapter 41, that is Immortal Indian. If you have any problem, any queries, you are free to ask me, and complete this exercise and submit it in the class too. Thank you.